makeup today. I didn't even brush my hair. It's just like balled up. I fell asleep on the couch last night. I don't feel well. I gotta go work. So it is 5 o'clock. Got my iced coffee. Got my Soleil water. Got my lunch. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, I'm at work. I totally wish I would have worn makeup today because I'm just feeling like blah. You know, sometimes we don't need makeup, but sometimes wearing it makes you just feel better and awake. And I'm just like, ugh. I'll see you guys at lunch. So, I'm really hoping I have a fork because I wasn't gonna get a salad, but they're like, oh no. Okay, good, I do. Because I did bring my little wrap, you know? And then they were like, no, you're getting a salad. So they ordered this little salad from a place called Cottage Inn. And I just got a grilled chicken. So it's cheese, onion, tomato, and grilled chicken. And then I got ranch dressing. And then I'm just going to put on my hard-boiled egg that I brought. And that's probably all I'll eat. And my Coke Zero. So I'm feeling like weird today. Like I don't know. I think I had too much Soleil water yesterday. So I did use the bathroom quite often, and I was told that's a good way to use the bathroom, and I just went over by like 1 tablespoon, I think. So I know what my limit is now. 5 tablespoons will make me use the bathroom, and usually I just do 4. So, but I was feeling like I needed it, so maybe I'll do 4.5. I don't know. I gotta test it out and see where the sweet spot is. But I'm starting to feel better now. I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat, and I will talk to you guys soon. Boom, bum, bum, bum. Hey guys, hey, welcome back. Okay, I don't know why I'm saying hey guys, hey. That's my intro. This is not an intro. This is a continuation. I let my hair down for this, you guys. Now, please don't judge me. No makeup, whatever. If you're here for the tea. Ooh, maybe I should use that. Filling the tea. Like, Aaron spilled the tea. Anyways, so I received this monthly subscription box in the mail every month from this company called Sipsby, and they send this to me. They reached out to me a couple months ago, and they asked me if I would like to receive this, and then I just review their teas. So yeah, of course I would. Are you kidding me? I can already freaking see there's stuff in here that I like. Okay, so, and first off, I love the little card because, let me tell you why. They're so cute. Look at the little tea leaves and the little heart. I love that pattern. And then on the other side, it says made for Nacine, and then it tells you every tea, and then it tells you about the tea. So, I'm excited about this. And in every box, it comes with these little cloth tea bags for the loose leaf teas. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, you guys. Some nice stuff came in this one. I'm just like, ooh, what is this one? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, the first one that I'm really excited about is this David's Tea green tea. It's organic Kashmiri chai. Ooh, yes. Green tea, cinnamon, cardamom seeds, ginger, clove buds, marigold flower. It's speaking my language. Cinnamon, clove, green tea. This sounds really good. It tells you how to do it. Like 1 to 2 teaspoons. It tells you how much water. It says it's medium caffeine. And I like that this one has a little like thing to close it. But I want to smell this because, oh my God. I'm excited. Yes. Yes. Can you see in there? Look at that tea. I love the smell of chai tea, you guys. That smells really good. I'm really excited to try this one. This one says, this green tea is a lighter take on the traditional chai. It is inspired by the spice teas of India's Kashmir region, which often use a green tea base and lots of cardamom pods. You can also, if you want to buy this at David's Tea, you can use code SIPS, David's tea for 20% off. The next one I got, it looks like I got 4 of. It is called, it's a black tea called English Tea Number 1 by Tea London. Is this a tea bag in here or is this a loose? I can't tell. I think there's a tea bag in here. Yeah, it's a tea bag. This one is high caffeine. Oops. This one is high caffeine. It is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. Fancy. You can use code SIPSBY20 for 20% off and free shipping at _USA. And I will put all this in the description box as well for this, and I will try to pop it up on the screen if I can remember. I don't want to open it because I don't want it to go like stale or whatever, but English Tea Number 1, black tea. Exciting. And then this one sounds really interesting too. I got 4 of this roasted herbal tea dandelion caramel nut. This is a caffeine free. It is made with organic herb and it is a swirl of sweet against roasted almonds, medium roast. This is neat. So this is by Teasino, and like I said, it's caffeine free. It says this cup of toasty warmth will satisfy your sweet tooth without overloading you with calories. Dandelion helps to stimulate digestion and detoxification. A perfect dessert tea. You can get 20% off with Sips by Teasino 2019. So this is actually cool because remember what I was talking about, fiber and things like that. This can help aid in digestion. So I like that. And it sounds like it's gonna be very tasty and smell really good too. And this feels like it's a loose tea in here. Yes, it is a, no, it is not. It's a, there's a bag in here. Yeah, there's a bag in there. Excited to try that one. And then there's one more. This, ooh, okay, this one is called Cranberry Symphony, and it is by Sunrise Tea. And it says, this elaborate infusion of green tea, white tea, hibiscus, and fruits such as vibrant cranberry and crisp pear will add some sunshine to your day. Enjoy hot or iced. Ooh, definitely gonna do iced. And you can get 10% off with code SIPSBY over at Sunrise Tea. I'm gonna open this one because it also has a little zippy pouch. I like the ones that come in a little zippy pouch. This time, the loose leaf teas did come like that, in a zippy pouch. Ooh, that smells good. Yes. Ooh, that smells so good. Look at that. Beautiful. That smells really good. Mmm. You can definitely smell the pear. More than the cranberry, I think. That smells good. I want to do that ice. How do you do it ice though? So just a little informational on some of the companies right there. But yeah, you guys, I'm excited to try these ones for sure. I think the ones that I'm most excited to try, like these ones, meh, okay, a black tea. I mean, I'm gonna try it, yeah, but I'm not super like stoked to try those ones. The ones that I'm the most excited to try are these two because I can do them iced and I like a nice iced tea with some heavy whipping cream. And then I'm excited to try these. So that's gonna be cool. And I love that they send you these in every box too. Cause I was like wondering, are they gonna send me more of those or do I have to hold on to those? Cause I kept like most of my other ones and I was too afraid to like use them a lot, but they're just these little cute little tea bags. So I have plenty of these now. Cool, exciting. Okay guys, well that's all for my Sipsby box and I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. So I have 3 of these Frankfurters with some sugar-free ketchup, mustard, and sugar-free relish, and then I have some of that carne piccata meat from the other night with some sour cream guacamole, green olives on a bed of spring mix, and a cherry Dr. Pepper, cherry diet Dr. Pepper. Yeah, guys, I don't know if I'm going to eat it all. I always say that. I always eat it all. But this is what I wanted. This is what I'm craving. This is what I'm eating.